Yeah, Konza FM. Pakistani frequency mawinjore maler N1070.
Engineering house, and this is again a FM station, and this FM station is a 1 watt FM station, because that means that the power which is being transmitted outside is around 1 watt. This is FM station I started. First, my radio station I started when I was in class 4, and this is the power was around 200 milliwatts. And another there I tried, but the sound quality was so poor because I was using my tongue instead of multimeter, and that my radio station which I made when I was in class 5, I just left it because it could not help me better, because sound quality was so poor. Even I did not have a microphone. I was using a condenser microphone, and this my radio station now is a 1 watt FM transmitter, and it has got 4 stages. First stage is modulation stage. That's where frequency is being set with the trimming capacitor. There you can set a frequency at a desired range, and set it to a 1070 megahertz to 1069 megahertz. Another stage is a preamplification stage. The stage is here. As you can see, there is a phone. This is to receive a phone call, and this is the switch. When you press it inward, you will change the audio quality from audio signal from laptop to phone. And another stage is a driver stage. The driver stage is behind here. I don't think if you can see it, but it is behind here. And the final stage is the power amplification. That is the final stage, which is there. This is the final stage. Now here is where you can set the frequency, because I've used a dipole antenna. Now for you to have a impedance matching in the dipole antenna, you must set it to a frequency which is free, and you set it to a, and there are also a paper capacitors. This is to make frequency stable and to radiate to megahertz which you want. This is the final stage which gives the transmitter 1 watt or 2 watt. And I have 2 employees, and one is Umasu Ambaya, and another one is Cyprian. You know, some you cannot change like this swagla.
No, just mention them in the law. Yes, the way they are written there. Yes.
Yeah. First, Mono Manyasaye, Limo Gwenge, Pinyo Runade, updates, breaking news, entertainment, Bukomiel, goodbye, Mormaro Nyango Wechoala, reggae time, Dok Pacho, Swagla Omar Ruako Tieno, Somo Cabs Magmos Twak. As from 11 a.m. to 6 a.m., that is Mono Marnyasai. I think you can. Yeah, I have around 400 listeners of Konza FM, and they think this radio station is so good, and has made them to know each other.
In terms of ambitions,
my ambition, my ambition, I started planning when I was still young. Like I wanted to be an engineer, electrical engineer. I tried to make a TV station. TV station is using amplitude modulation to transmit pictures and frequency modulation to transmit audio. Now these 2 frequencies must be combined to radiate at the same megahertz, so that the pictures could radiate at the same time audio radiates. Yeah, help. Yeah.
which one?
Like support, Mara.
Okay, now just
Like now I'm planning to launched this 100 watt FM transmitter. Now I would like them to register for me this station, because 100 watt is a high power FM transmitter, and the coverage will be around 50 kilometers. Yeah. Now I would like them to help me so that this radio station can be licensed.
Yeah, Konza FM. Kagisani frequency mawinjore maler en 170 e gwenge mabeta kae, e gwenge mar Usinga be pod en mana 170, e gwenge ma Junction en 170. Ya to ne kaka nanyisi e frequencies gin ariyo, sama nyalo wacho 170 to gi gwenge kanyo radiation timore mopogore. Ya frequency nyalo loko kata 169.
Martin Upere, I'm the principal of Father Tilan Mix Secondary School, and I just want to confirm that Steve Biko is a student in our school. He's a Form 3 yellow student, and for the time that we have been with him, he has shown a lot of creativity and innovativeness. I need also to confirm that this year we confirmed that the boy has a lot of creativity when we were going out for science and engineering fair at Tomboy Secondary School, and he performed extremely well, though he did not go past the county for reasons that are based on the marking scheme or the score sheet for that particular project. But I want to believe that the fact that he had time due to corona pandemic, this has given him an opportunity to assemble all his gadgets together to come up with this wonderful idea of a radio station. If we can get our leaders, be it political or any other person that could be interested, to support the boy at this level, rather than waiting for the boy to go through the whole circle of the curriculum, he would be able to do a bit much better. And I think this has come at the right time. At the time when the government is talking about enhancing creativity on the youths, on young people. And the boy is only 17, and at this point, this is the point when they can be able to capture his talent, his creativity, then I believe the boy can go far. Oh, yes. Now, sometimes you hear people saying, communication authority will arrest the boy. This boy is under 18. This is a student. This is not somebody who is doing this purposefully to benefit him in terms of money. But this is a boy who is only coming up with creativity, given that he's still undergoing school. And I believe because of that, there is nothing that can be treated to be legal here. It can only be treated to be creativity and innovativeness of the boy. As a school, when you come to our school and you look at our school motto, school vision, and school mission, innovativeness is one of them. So I want to believe that there is nothing that can be treated as illegal, but the boy can only be assisted to even make his work much better than what we see here.
I'm a fan of Konza FM. Vile tulisikia tuko na studio hapa ya Konza FM, tulifurahia sana. Na hii Konza FM pia imetusaidia sana. Kwa hii mambo ya COVID-19, swali imetusaidia. Huyu jamaa anachukua huyu mtoto wetu. Naweza sema huyu Biko, the founder of Konza FM. Amejaribu sana kutuelezea watu hii mambo ya COVID-19. Tumejua kila mahali unaenda unafaa kuvaa mask. Na tena hapa penye tuko karibu na baharini. Tunafaa kukua msafi. Juu hapa baharini watu wanafua hapo, wanafanya nini, na hiyo maji pia ndio tunatumia kukunywa. Hapo pia natuletea funzo hapo. Tena kufika usiku hivi, kuna mada huwa analetanga ya familia. Hapo pia tumejisaidia kujua sisi kama wamama tumejua kuishi na mabwana zetu. Juu tunapata mafunzo kutoka Konza FM. Tena hii Konza FM imetusaidia sana kutangaza biashara yako. Kama kuna biashara, kuna card wana produce. Unaweza andika jina lako hapo. Ukishaandika jina lako unaleta hapa. Usiku saa 2 Biko atakusomea hiyo biashara yako. Sasa inakusaidia. Sasa zingine kama huku tunasema huku ni interior sana. Juu town, main town iko huko mbele. Sasa huku unajua kama mimi ni mtu wa duka. Mtu hawezi jua nauza nini hapa, lakini nikikuja hapa nitangaze, watajua juu watu wengi wanasikia hii Konza. Na hii Konza FM bado iko chini. Hata studio tuko tu na kioski kidogo sana. Tunatumia kama kioski. Tunataka usaidizi. Usaidizi tunataka. Na huyu mtoto pia bado anaenda shule.
Nasema